Kungenxa Yothando Lwami Kuwe, a summary compiled by Ulungile Palesa Zondi, and incwadi is explained in both Isizulu and English. This book is read by grade 8. Ake siqale ngabalingisi. The characters that I have included on this page are characters that are directly related to Uzinhle. Uzinhle being the main character, and the main character ngesiZulu siyibiza ngumlingiswa oqavile. So sizoqala ngoNanana. UNanana ingane kaZinhle. Bese kuba uNokubonga noma uBonga ongusisi kaZinhle. Kulandele uSister Kubheka. uSister Kubheka umphathi kaZinhle lapho uZinhle asebenza khona. Bese kulandela uThobelani. uThobelani unengane noZinhle, igama layo uNanana. Bese kulandela uKamahaye. uKamahaye ungumama kaZinhle, usashona. Ake sibheke-ke incwadi manje chapter by chapter. Isahluko sokuqala. Sithola uNokubonga. uNokubonga ugada uNanana emini uZinhle obesaya emsebenzini. So uNokubonga babysits uNanana while uZinhle is at work. And during her spare time, uNokubonga, she does beadwork. So wenza amabhengela nemigeqo ngobuhlalu. She does bangles, she does necklaces with beads. uZinhle yena ubamba amatoho emzini yabantu, so she does piece jobs in people's houses. Ubaba kaNanana, Nanana's father, uThobelani, his name is Thobelani, washiya uZinhle ekhulelwe. So uThobelani left uZinhle when she was pregnant with uNanana. And before uNanana was born, even before uZinhle was pregnant, the king of the area kuleyo ndawo, and leyo ndawo esibiza ngokuthi isengudwini, yayifuna ukushada uZinhle. However, uZinhle was not interested because wayengayithandi inkosi, so she refused to get married. Even though she was going to live a comfortable life, but she refused because wayengamthandi. Also, after she gave birth to uNanana, the king still came back and wanted to marry her, but wangavuma still because she felt ukuthi she may have to leave uNanana behind, and she loved her dearly to do that. uZinhle usebenzela uSister Kubheka. uSister Kubheka is a nurse in a hospital nearby the area, and uhlala nezingane ezine, so she has 4 kids and a husband. However, only 2 kids have been introduced in the book, uZamile noThozo. And in the first chapter, we have realized ukuthi uThozo ulingana noNanana. We are still going to know more about these 2 kids. The other 2 kids, we don't even know amagamabo, as they have not been introduced at all in the book. uKamahaye is umama kaZinhle noNokubonga. Ushone ezinyangeni ezimbili ezedlule emuva kokuthi bathole umxhaso. So uKamahaye passed away 2 months after they received RDP. RDP are those houses that a government sponsors to people who need houses. And the reason for that, for Ulona uZinhle noNokubonga and uKamahaye are staying kumxhaso, is because they once lived in a shack, and unfortunately there were floods, and umuzi wabo went with floods. Enye into futhi sitholayo, sithola ukuthi they live in a 1-bedroom, and it's just khona istove in the house, and the stove sakhona, it's very old. Sigugile, sikhipha intuthu, so it releases a lot of smoke, and the leyo smoke leyo igcwala in the whole house. You can find that in page 2. The places that we find in the first chapter, sithola ukuthi they stay in a farm, endaweni ebizwa ngokuthi engudwini. Bahlala endlini yomxhaso, as I have explained. Isahluko sesibili. They show us Sister Kubheka as someone who is very mean, who wants uZinhle to work from the time she arrives to work until she finishes. Akafuni ukuthi ahlale phansi. So whenever uZinhle is done with work, she needs to go to the kitchen, akhiphe izitsha emakhabetheni, so she takes plates from the cupboard, azigeze, she washes them, ageza amakhabethe, she washes the cupboards, bese eziphinsela phakathi, so she puts back the plates after that. And uma uZinhle eke wabulala okuthize kwasendlini, so if uZinhle ever destroys anything from the house or breaks anything rather, she will have to pay from her salary. So a salary yakhe will be deducted to cover what she broke. uZamile is Sister Kubheka's child, and uZamile kuthiwa uqhuba intwala ngewisa. Uqhuba intwala ngewisa isaga leso, and it basically means ukuthi uyadelela, she is rude. So let's look at the things that show us ukuthi she is rude. Ugeza ashiya amanzi engawachithile nezingubo bekade zigqokile zisuke zisele phansi. So whenever she takes a bath, she does not sort out the area where she was bathing, and the clothes that she was wearing, she just leaves them there. And unomngani, she has a friend, the name of the friend is Ukwaneli. And bafunda naye ibanga lesishiyagalombili, so they are both in grade 8. Benza ukudla, they make food, and bashiye kungcolile izitsha esinkini. So they make food and they just leave the sink as it is with the dirty dishes there. Baqede baye ekamelweni, so after that they go to Zamile's bedroom, badlale i-PlayStation noma izingoma kwiselula. They play PlayStation or they play songs from a cell phone. Now let's look at udweshu olungaphandle. Udweshu olungaphandle means external conflicts or outer conflicts. And udweshu esitholayo sithola uZinhle noZamile. uZamile noKwanele babehlele ukungayi esikoleni, so they had planned to bunk school, baye ebhayiscope, and to go to the cinema. Kodwa uZinhle wabezwa wasetshela uSister Kubheka. So uZinhle overheard them talking, and then she told uSister Kubheka. uSister Kubheka watshela uZamile ukuthi kusasa bazoya ukuyokwenza ipasi. So uSister Kubheka decided ukuthi uZamile is not going to go to school, so rather they will go to Home Affairs to do an ID. And that made uZamile very angry. Lokho kwamcasula uZamile, wabe seqonda kuZinhle, and then she went to uZinhle emtshela ukuthi akazi ukuthi uzingenela nezindaba zabo ngoba bebengakhulumi naye. So she told uZinhle to stay out of her business, and they were not even talking to her. Kwisahluko sesithathu sithola udweshu langaphakathi, that is inner conflicts or internal conflicts. After uZinhle noZamile beqeda ukuxabana, uZinhle was thinking, so she had internal thoughts. Udweshu langaphakathi is when a character he's having debates, inner debates kuyena whether to do something or not. So uZinhle wayecabanga ukuyeka emsebenzini emuva kokudelelwa uZamile, kodwa wabuye wazikhuza. So uZinhle, after having an argument with uZamile, she decided ukuthi no, yazi ukuthini, she's done with this and she wants to leave work. But then she decided otherwise. uZinhle kwakungamele adle ucheese, so at Sister Kubheka's house, uZinhle was not allowed to eat cheese, amaqanda, eggs, nezibiliboco zakwaKubheka. So eggs and nice things that were from Kubheka. Wayedla ujam obomvu nesinkwa kuphela. She only ate red jam and bread. Nejuice wayengayiphuzi, she was not even allowed to have juice. Amanzi netiye kuphela. She could only drink amanzi netiye. Umsebenzi ayowenza, so the job that she did kwaKubheka, wayewasha, she did washing, laundry, ayina, she'd iron, ahlanze indlu, clean the house, enze nengadi, and do the garden. Wayihola u-500 rand ngenyanga, so she got paid 500 rand a month, and in Isizulu we call it amakhulu amahlanu amarandi. Kodwa kule nyanga wahola imali encane, so during that month uZinhle got paid little money ngoba wahlala isonto lonke ekhaya engayi emsebenzini ngoba unanana wayebanjwe umkhuhlane. So unfortunately unanana got sick. She had flu, and uZinhle had to be absent from work for a week. And when she came back, uSister Kubheka deducted money because she had not been to work for a week. Imali kaNokubonga, every month uNokubonga noZinhle that put together imali and bathenga istofu esisha. Remember we said ukuthi istofu sabo sasisigugile sesisidala, so they saved enough money to buy a new one. uZinhle wayengathandi ukuzibuka esibukweni. uZinhle did not like to look at herself in the mirror, and so far they have not told us why. We will find out as we go chapter by chapter. Unanana, you can see a picture here. Unanana was now 1 year old, and uZinhle also benoNokubonga, they saved imali, babeka imali, bakha indlu katshani, a hut, and this is an example of the house that they built. And if we're looking at Izindawo that are included in chapter 3 is Osborne Road, Eshowe. Osborne Road, they say it's a very long road, and umgwaqo lapho abantu baseshowe bathenga khona. uZinhle wahlangana nobaba kaNanana, so uZinhle bumped into Nanana's dad, and manje we know ukuthi uThobelani, kodwa ubaba kaNanana wayengasamboni kahle uZinhle. However, ubaba kaNanana could not recognize uZinhle. Isahluko 4. uSister Kubheka wavakashelwa uSister Mfeka. So uSister Mfeka and uSister Kubheka, when they were off duty, uSister Mfeka visited uSister Kubheka, and uZinhle wabezwa bekhuluma ngodokotela ongasiza uZinhle ngesikhumba. So she overheard them talking about a doctor who can help uZinhle with the skin condition. Ngesikhathi sePhasika, so during the Easter holidays, uSister Kubheka wanika uZinhle izinsuku ezimbili ukuthi angasebenzi. uZinhle was given 2 days leave, and she used that waya esibhedlela. She went to the hospital. Udokotela wamnika umuthi wokugeza nowokugcoba. So udokotela gave her 2 medicines, one for bathing with, and then the other for using it as a lotion. Wathi abuye emva kwezinyanga eziyisithupha, so she was asked to come back after 6 months ukuze abone ukuthi iyasebenza yini imithi khona ezolungiselelwa ukuhlinzwa. The doctor asked uZinhle to come back after 6 months so that she can see the progress, so that they can prepare for ukuhlinzwa, and ukuhlinzwa in English is surgery. Esibhedlela waphinda wahlangana noThobelani owafake izingubo zonesi. So again uZinhle bumped into uThobelani, and uThobelani that time was wearing nurse's clothes, which showed ukuthi he was studying to be a nurse. Wayefundela ukuba ngunesi. Waphinda futhi uThobelani wangambona. Again uThobelani could not recognize her. uNanana waqala isikole, so uNanana started school, waqala enkulisa as a crash. Wabe eseya kwibanga lokuqala, so thereafter she went to grade 1. Uthisha wakhe was uNkosikazi Sibisi. The name of the teacher was uNkosikazi Sibisi. uZinhle wayehambisa uNanana esikoleni alandwe uNokubonga. So every day uZinhle would take uNanana to school because that was her way to work, and then after school uZinhle would finish late, so uNokubonga would collect uNanana from school. Izingane zazimhlukumeza uNanana, so the kids from school were bullying uNanana, and zimbuza ukuthi muphi ubaba wakhe. They were asking her ukuthi where is her dad. Isahluko sesihlanu. Usister Kubheka wathatha i-leave yenyanga yonke wanika uZinhle isonto lonke. So uSister Kubheka took a month's leave and she was kind enough to give uZinhle a week leave. uZinhle wahambisa uNanana ukuyogomela eSimongumongwane. So uZinhle used the time to take uNanana to go and vaccinate for measles. Kwakusebenza uThobelani ngololo suku, so uThobelani was working on the day. uNanana elokhu edlala waze wafika endaweni yamanesi. uNanana was very irritated and she was busy playing and being restless until she came to a place where the nurses were. And amuthanda ngoba ehlanzekile. So the nurses were very happy to see uNanana because she was a clean and a beautiful girl. uSister Mfeka wathi uNanana makahamba yobiza umama wakhe emabhentshini. So the nurses wanted to see who the mother of this clean child was. Wathuka uThobelani ukuthi uZinhle usenje ebusweni. When uNanana went to fetch her mom, uThobelani was very shocked to see uZinhle's face. uThobelani wacela amanesi ukuthi babakhulule kancane ukuze baxoxe. So uThobelani asked the nurses for privacy so he can talk to uZinhle. uZinhle wacela uThobelani ngokusha kwakhe. uZinhle told uThobelani all about the incident of burning. uThobelani waqala ukulethela uNanana ukudla nemali. So uThobelani started sending money for uNanana as well as food. uNokubonga wafundisa uNanana ukwenza umsebenzi wezandla. uNokubonga taught uNanana to do beadwork. Wagula uNokubonga waphathwa izandla. And during that time, uNokubonga had pains on her hands and she could not do beadwork. On the pictures that you see, we can see ukuthi the author has skipped years. So we saw ukuthi uNanana wayephasela grade 2. So uNanana was going to grade 2. And then after 5 years, kwadlula iminyaka emihlanu and uNanana was in grade 5. Isahluko sesithupha. uNanana waqala wasiza u-auntie noma unina omncane wakhe ngomsebenzi wezandla. So uNanana was very dedicated into the beadwork and she started helping her aunt, or the other word is unina omncane, with the beadwork. Izandla zaNokubonga zaqhubeka zaba buhlungu, so Nokubonga's hands continued to be painful. uZinhle waze wacela uThobelani ukuthi aphathe amaphilisi kadokotela ngoba uNokubonga wayengafuni ukuya kadokotela. So uZinhle eventually asked uThobelani if he can bring pills from the hospital so that uNokubonga can be better, because she did not want to go to see the doctor. And the pills helped because she was better after that. uNanana wakhethwa esikoleni ukuthi angenele umncintiswano womsebenzi wezandla. So uNanana was chosen at school to enter a competition of beadwork. And here are the prizes. Imkomelo. The third position wayihola u500 randi and iselula. Second position wayihola u1000 rand plus umsakazo. And the first prize wayiwina u5000 rand umfundaze. Umfundaze is a bursary and umabonakude a TV. And uNanana won the competition. So she won 5,000 rand, a bursary, and a TV. And as you can see, uNanana, this is an example of her age and her height now. She is now 10 years old and in grade 5. Izindawo, the places that were included in this chapter, uNanana ufunda eKholisani LP. Siyaqhubeka nesahluko sesithupha. uNanana waphuma ephepheni elibizwa ngokuthi iso laseShowe. Ngakusasa uZinhle wamenywa esikoleni sikaNanana, so the next day uZinhle was invited to school bathi bengena esangweni izingane zehleka zibalandela. As soon as they entered the gates, the kids were laughing and were following them. Wafika sekudlule isikhathi emsebenzini uZinhle. So uZinhle, after the assembly, she went straight to work and she arrived late. Usister Kubheka wathetha wathi kuzomele asebenze ngesonto ukuze akhokhele isikhathi angasebenzanga. So usister Kubheka was very upset about this, and she said ukuthi uZinhle would have to come to work on Sunday to cover the time lost. Unanana emva kokuxabana nezingane esikoleni wafika wamtshela umama wakhe ukuthi bathi mubi futhi mnyama. uZinhle wakucela uNanana ukuthi washiswa yini. So the second reason for bully esikoleni is that the kids were saying ukuthi Nanana's mom is ugly and she's black. And uZinhle, she got home and she told her mom. Now, if you go to the book on page 39 to 41, uZinhle is telling her child ukuthi what happened exactly. And I did not want to summarize that because it is best that you read everything page by page, and it's just 2 pages, 39 and 41, because page 40 there's a picture, so it's just 39 and 41 of what exactly happened. Ukuthi uMakaZinhle, she, after giving birth, she was just staying with uZinhle, and then she went to the river to get some water, and she had left a pot of beans in the stove, and unfortunately it burnt, and the house was burning down, and the abantu from outside were trying to, when uZinhle came, they tried to pull her away from the fire because she wanted to go in. Eventually wangena ngaphakathi and washa ebusweni, so she got burns on the face as she was going to fetch uZinhle, as well as she was coming out of the house. And uZinhle was protected enough ukuthi she did not even get a burn. Right. Udweshu olungaphandle. Udweshu olungaphandle, we said it's outer or external conflicts. So we find uNanana is fighting with uThozo. Ngesikhathi kudlalwa esikoleni, so during lunch break, uThozo nabangani bakhe babuza uNanana ukuthi indaba umama wakhe emnyama kangaka. So uThozo and her friends went to uNanana and asked her why is her mom so black. uNanana washaya uThozo ngempama. So uNanana got very upset and she slapped uThozo. Isahluko sesikhombisa. Izingane zayeka kumdelela uNanana, so eventually the kids left uNanana alone. They stopped teasing her. Emva kokuthi asitshela ukuthi yena akamboni emubi uma wakhe, after telling the kids ukuthi yena she doesn't see the ugliness that they see from her mother. Umama wakhe futhi umthanda enjalo, and she loves her as she is. Wabikela unkosikazi Sibisi, so she reported to unkosikazi Sibisi. Uthishomkhulu wawaxosha lamantombazane, so uthishomkhulu, the principal, suspended the girls. Wathi awabuya nabazali kusasa, and they were told to come back with the parents the next day. Usister Kubheka, so when uThozo arrived home, she told uSister Kubheka ukuthi she has to go home because of this bullying. And uSister Kubheka wadelela uZinhle, so uSister Kubheka was very rude on uZinhle. Wathi ingane yakhe bayiphathiswa kweqanda esikoleni. She said ukuthi her child uNanana, they are treating her like an egg at school. And uZinhle akazange aphendule, so uZinhle did not respond to that. And then iSamaria Zamile, uZamile akasiqedanga isikole ebeziphuzela. So remember, uZamile was that rude child who was fighting with, who was approaching uZinhle. She did not finish school. Instead, she became a drunkard eziphuzela. uThozo wayesentshontsha imali kamama wakhe, so uThozo started stealing money from her mom. Wamshaya uSister Kubheka, and when uSister Kubheka found out, she beat her up. And waqala ungahlala ekhaya, so she stopped staying at home, should be in and out of home, and wayeka isikole, and she quit school. uThobelani wasiza uZinhle. uThobelani was a huge help to uZinhle, and how? Because wamsiza ngokulungisa isikhumba, so he helped her by fixing iskin sakhe, and he did that by taking her to a doctor, a Nigerian doctor, and also by ngokufaka isicelo somsebenzi wokuba umabhalane esibhedlela. So he also helped uZinhle to apply for a job in a hospital for being a receptionist. Siqhubeka nesahluko 7. uSister Kubheka waqasha uMamNtambo ukuthi asize kwakhe. So uSister Kubheka hired a maid ebizwa ngokuthi uMamNtambo to help in the house, because uZinhle was at the hospital during that time, and uSister ulona uMamNtambo is described as a person onolaka futhi ongazidodosa izingane zakhona. So she was very strict, and she did not tolerate any nonsense from the kids. And bambiza ngokuthi ispoki. Ispoki is a ghost, which means ukuthi she was very scary. Ekugcineni uThobelani wacela ukuthi uZinhle amshade. So at the end of the book, uThobelani asked uZinhle to marry her, and uZinhle wavuma. So uZinhle agreed. Now let's look at isimo senhlalo, the living conditions, comparing uZinhle and Kubo kaKubheka. Kubo kaZinhle singathi badla imbuya ngothi, and what we mean by that is they are poor. uZinhle uhlala nodadewabo uNokubonga, so uZinhle stays with the sister uNokubonga kanye noNanana and uNanana. Yize noma benganayo imali eningi, kodwa bahlala ngokuthula. Although they do not have a lot of money, but they stay in peace. Bayezwana futhi bayahloniphana. They get along with each other very well, and they respect each other. uNokubonga noZinhle bayalekelelana ukwenza umuzi wakubo ukuthi ukhule. So uNokubonga and uZinhle work together to make their home to grow their home, to develop their home. KaKubheka, uSister Kubheka, we can say ukuthi badla izambane likaPondo, and leso isaga, that means they are well off. uSister Kubheka ufundisa izingane zakhe ukuthi umuntu uphathwa noma kanjani. So uSister Kubheka is teaching her kids ukuthi to treat people anyhow, with disrespect. Akukho ukuthula, there's no peace in the house. Izingane zakhona zihloniphi, the kids have no respect, futhi azisithandi isikole, and they do not like school. Baphila kahle ngokwemali. So financially, they are good. That's the whole book. It has 7 chapters in total. And thank you for being part of it. And I hope everything was clear and that you understand everything.